Are you ready to bring your computer vision ideas to life with just a webcam and a few lines of code? Let's get started and learn how to build exciting computer vision projects using OpenCV and Python. OpenCV stands for Open Source Computer Vision Library. It helps you analyze the images and videos from detecting objects to tracking hands, faces, and even gestures. And the best part, it's completely free and open source. To use effectively, we'll be working with Python, a beginner-friendly yet powerful programming language, perfect for coding, robot, and AI projects. Now step 1. Install Python 3.9. Let's begin with installing Python 3.9. We recommend this version for best compatibility with MediaPipe. Open your browser and go to the official Python website, python.org. Here, X can be any number depending on your system. Important, in the installer, make sure to tick Add Python to Path at the bottom and then click Install Now. And that's it. Python is now installed. To check if it's working, open command prompt and type Python __ version. If you see something like Python 3.9.x, congratulations, Python is ready. Step 2. Install and set up VS Code. Next up, let's set up your coding environment. We'll be using Visual Studio Code or simply VS Code. Search on Google code.visualstudio.com. Download the Windows installer. During installation, make sure to tick Add to Path and also tick Open with Code. Finish the installation, open VS Code, and your coding workspace is ready. Step 3. Install required libraries. Now let's install 3 Python libraries we'll be using here. Open command prompt and type these commands one by one. Pip install OpenCV-Python, click on enter, wait for installation. Now write pip install MediaPipe and click on enter, wait for installation. And finally write pip install PySerial. Again click on enter and wait for installation. These installs OpenCV for computer vision task, MediaPipe for hand and face tracking, PySerial to connect Python with Arduino via USB. Step 4. Create project folder and Python file. Let's stay organized. Create a folder on your desktop and name it OpenCV. Now open VS Code. Click Open Folder and select your OpenCV folder. Then click on New File and name it gesture_led.py. You can name it as per your requirement and understanding. Make sure you include the .py extension. Step 5. Sample Python code. Now it's time for some action. Let's write a simple Python program that opens your webcam and tracks your hand using OpenCV and MediaPipe. For this, download the code file given in the description below, that is in text format. Now simply code and paste the code in your Python file. Here's a quick walkthrough of what it does. Now sample code. First, we import the required libraries. CV2 is the OpenCV library used for image and video processing. MediaPipe or MP is a Google's AI-powered library, great for tracking hands, face, body pose, etc. We're going to use MediaPipe's hand tracking solution here. Next, we are setting up MediaPipe's hand detection module. MP_hands is just a shortcut to access the hands module from MediaPipe. Hands equals to MP_hands.hands function creates a hands detector object. MP_draw will help us draw landmarks and connection on the images, like the bones of the hand. This line activates your webcam. CV2.videoCapture function tells OpenCV to start capturing video from camera index 0, which is usually your default webcam. The captured frames will now be used for hand detection. Now we enter a loop to process each frame from the camera. Cap.read function reads a single frame from the webcam. Success is a flag. It's true if the frame was captured successfully. IMG is the actual image frame. OpenCV captures image in BGR, which is a blue, green, red format. But MediaPipe expects image in RGB. So we convert the image from BGR to RGB using CV2.cvt color. This line sends the RGB image to MediaPipe's hand tracking processor. It analyzes the frame and checks whether any hands are visible or not. The result is stored in a variable named results. Now we check Did MediaPipe detects any hands? If it did, result.multi_hand_landmarks will contain the data of landmark on the hand, like fingertip position, knuckles, reeds, etc. If a hand is found, we loop through each detected hand. Draw_landmark function draws points and connection on the original image so we can see the tracked hand. It shows dot on joints and lines between fingers. It's really cool. Now this part simply prints to the console. If a hand is detected, it shows hands detected. Otherwise, it prints no hand. Now tip here, you can use this later to trigger actions like turning on an LED or sending data to Arduino. Now, we show the process video stream in a new window called Hand Tracker. This will display the live feed with hand landmarks drawn in real time. This line checks if you have pressed Q key on your keyboard. If yes, it breaks the loop and stops the webcam. Wait key 1 waits 1 millisecond for a key press. Word Q is the ASCII value of the letter Q. Finally, we release the webcam and close all OpenCV windows. Cap release function turns off the webcam properly. CV.2 destroy all windows function closes the hand tracker display window. Now let's run this code now. Just press play or open terminal and your webcam will turn on, and wave your hand and watch it get tracked in real time. In the next video, we'll take this one step further by connecting Python to Arduino using PySerial, and we'll control an LED using hand gesture. Cool, right? So make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Don't forget to subscribe to Roboarmy for more awesome tech coding and robotics tutorial.